Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? It's the ultimate dream. Passive income offers this tantalizing possibility. It's about creating systems that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. In today's digital age, this dream is more achievable than ever. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales you made overnight. Picture your bank account growing while you're on vacation. This is the power of passive income. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building smart, sustainable income streams. The digital revolution has opened up new avenues for passive income. Online platforms, automation tools, and global reach have changed the game. Now, anyone with internet access can potentially create passive income streams. The barriers to entry have never been lower, but here's the exciting part. Artificial intelligence is taking passive income to the next level. AI is revolutionizing how we approach passive income strategies. It's making them more efficient, more targeted, and more profitable. Let's dive into how AI is unlocking new passive income secrets. Passive income isn't about sitting back and watching money roll in effortlessly. It requires initial effort and investment. But once set up, it can generate income with minimal ongoing work. Think of it as planting a tree. You nurture it at first, then enjoy the fruits for years to come. There are many forms of passive income. Rental properties, dividend stocks, and royalties are traditional examples. In the digital world, we have ebooks, online courses, and affiliate marketing. Each has its own advantages and challenges. The key is finding what works for you. The appeal of passive income lies in its scalability and flexibility. You're not trading time for money directly. Instead, you're creating assets that generate income over time. This allows you to potentially earn more while working less. It's about working smarter, not harder. But passive income isn't entirely hands-off. It often requires some maintenance and updates. The goal is to minimize this ongoing work. This is where AI comes in. AI tools can automate many tasks, making passive income streams even more passive. Artificial intelligence is transforming passive income strategies. It's like having a tireless assistant optimizing your income streams. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds. It can spot trends humans might miss. This leads to smarter, more profitable decisions. It can manage investments and optimize marketing campaigns. This frees up your time to focus on strategy and creativity. AI learns and improves over time. It adapts to changing market conditions. Your passive income streams become more effective and profitable. AI and passive income are a match made in heaven. They complement each other perfectly. Passive income is about creating systems that generate revenue with minimal intervention. AI is all about automating processes and making smart decisions. Together, they create a powerful synergy. Consider content creation. AI can generate ideas, write drafts, and even optimize for SEO. You provide the initial input and direction. The AI does the heavy lifting. This allows you to produce more content faster. More content means more opportunities for passive income. In the world of investing, AI-powered robo-advisors are revolutionizing passive income. They can manage portfolios, rebalance assets, and even handle tax loss harvesting, all automatically. This makes passive investing more accessible and efficient than ever before. AI is also transforming affiliate marketing. It can analyze customer behavior, optimize ad placements, and personalize recommendations. This leads to higher conversion rates and more commissions, all without you having to manually tweak campaigns or analyze data. Section 5. AI-powered investing, automated trading, and robo-advisors. AI is reshaping the world of investing. Automated trading systems use AI to make split-second decisions. They can analyze market trends, news, and economic indicators in real time. This allows for faster, more accurate trades than humanly possible. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you 24/7. Robo-advisors are making passive investing accessible to everyone. These AI-powered platforms create and manage diversified portfolios. They consider your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Then they automatically invest and rebalance your portfolio. It's hands-off investing at its finest. One popular robo-advisor is Wealthfront. It offers features like tax loss harvesting and direct indexing. These can potentially boost your returns. Another option is Betterment. It provides a goal-based investing and automatic rebalancing. Both use AI to optimize your investments. AI-powered investing isn't just for stocks, it's also making waves in cryptocurrency trading. Platforms like 3Commas use AI to automate crypto trading strategies. They can execute trades based on predefined rules or market analysis. This allows for 24/7 trading without constant monitoring. Imagine having a personal financial advisor available 24/7, one that never sleeps and always gives objective advice. That's the promise of AI financial assistants. They're revolutionizing personal finance management. AI assistants analyze your spending habits and financial goals. They provide personalized recommendations. Need to save more for a project? Your AI assistant can suggest areas to cut back. Want to optimize your investments? It can run simulations and suggest adjustments. Platforms like Mint and Personal Capital provide comprehensive overviews. They track your net worth and analyze investments. This gives you a clear picture of your financial health. Some AI assistants actively manage your money. Digit, for example, saves money for you. It analyzes your income and spending patterns, then transfers small amounts to savings. It's passive saving at its finest. Section 7. Content creation made easy with AI. Content is king in the digital world, but creating high-quality content consistently is challenging. This is where AI comes to the rescue. AI-powered tools can help at every stage of the content creation process, from ideation to writing to optimization. Tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai use advanced language models to generate written content. You provide a brief and they can create blog posts, social media updates, or even ebooks. While they may not replace human writers entirely, they can significantly speed up the process. AI can also help with content ideation. Tools like HubSpot's content strategy tool use AI to suggest topics based on your audience's interests. It analyzes search trends in your existing content to identify gaps and opportunities. This ensures your content is always relevant and in demand. For visual content, AI is making waves too. Canva's Magic Write feature can generate social media posts and captions. DALL-E and Midjourney can create unique images based on text descriptions. This opens up new possibilities for creating engaging, varied content with minimal effort. Section 8. AI-powered content strategies for maximum impact. Creating content is just the first step. AI can optimize your content strategy for maximum impact. It analyzes performance data, predicts trends, and suggests improvements. Tools like BuzzSumo identify trending topics and popular formats. This helps create content that resonates with your audience. More engagement means more passive income opportunities. SEO is crucial for visibility. Tools like ClearScope optimize content for search engines. This boosts your content's ranking and organic traffic. Section 9. Boosting affiliate marketing with AI optimization. Affiliate marketing is a popular passive income strategy, but competition is fierce. AI can give you an edge by optimizing every aspect of your affiliate campaigns. From choosing products to targeting audiences to crafting compelling messages, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify profitable affiliate products. Tools like Affogato use AI to monitor social media and review sites. They can spot trending products or unmet customer needs. This helps you promote products that are more likely to convert. Personalization is key in affiliate marketing. AI can analyze user behavior to deliver personalized product recommendations. Amazon's recommendation engine is a prime example. It uses AI to suggest products based on browsing history and purchase patterns. This increases the likelihood of conversions. AI can also optimize your affiliate content and ads. Tools like Phrasee use AI to generate and test different ad copy variations. They can predict which messages are most likely to resonate with your audience. This leads to higher click-through rates and more affiliate sales. The future of AI and passive income maximizing opportunities. The future of AI and passive income is bright and full of possibilities. As AI technology advances, expect more powerful tools and strategies. Stay informed and be ready to adapt to new opportunities. AI tools are becoming accessible to individuals. This levels the playing field. AI-powered platforms combine multiple passive income strategies. This holistic approach could revolutionize passive income. Focus on your unique human skills. Use AI for repetitive tasks and data analysis. Combine AI efficiency with human creativity for success.